Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream design. We'll start by exploring the foundational elements that make an ice cream dish truly stand out. Think about how colors, textures, and shapes work together to create an inviting treat. It's all about crafting an experience that delights both the eyes and the palate, making every scoop a work of art. Let's dive into making your ice cream visually irresistible. Achieving harmony in color and texture is crucial for captivating ice cream design. Imagine pairing a rich, dark chocolate with a bright, fresh raspberry swirl. The contrast is not only visually appealing, but also promises a delightful taste experience. Don't forget to think about different textures, like crunchy nuts or smooth sauces, to add depth and excitement to each spoonful. It's about creating a balanced and inviting presentation. Toppings and garnishes are where your ice cream design truly comes alive. A sprinkle of toasted coconut, a delicate chocolate curl, or a vibrant mint leaf can transform a simple scoop into a gourmet dessert. Think about how these elements can add height, color, and an extra layer of texture. Even a simple drizzle of caramel or a dusting of cocoa powder can make a significant difference, inviting everyone to indulge. Finally, the way you plate your ice cream is key to its overall design. Consider using a chilled bowl or a stylish glass to enhance the experience. Practice your scooping to get those perfectly round, appealing portions. You can also experiment with layering different flavors or creating beautiful swirls with sauces. Remember, a clean plate and thoughtful arrangement make all the difference, turning your ice cream into a truly memorable treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.